Hello, and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about photos. So let's get started. How do you keep your photos? You could say, I usually keep my photos in my smartphone gallery. Or, I typically store my photos in the digital library of my smartphone, organized into different albums based on events or themes. Do you like to take photos? Yes. No. I don't like. But you could say, I derive great pleasure from capturing moments through photography. What do you like to do? Photograph. I like to photograph nature and scenery. My preference lies in capturing the beauty of nature and landscapes through camera lenses. In what situations do you take photos? I take photos during vacations and special occasions. I'm inclined to take photos during vacations, family gatherings, and when exploring new places. Do you ever delete or, if on paper, throw away any of your photos? Yes, sometimes I delete photos that are blurry or don't turn out well. Occasionally, I go through my photo collection and eliminate images that are out of focus or don't meet my expectations in terms of quality. How did you become interested in photography? I became interested in photography when I got my first camera as a gift. My fascination with photography was sparked when I received a camera as a present, which ignited my curiosity to explore the world through a different lens. Would you like to work as a professional photographer? No, I just enjoy photography as a hobby. Or, while I cherish photography as a hobby, I don't envision pursuing it as a full-time profession. How often do you take photos? I take photos whenever there's something interesting to capture. I'm quite spontaneous with my photography, capturing moments whenever something captivating catches my eye. Do you prefer to take photos yourself or to have others take photos? I prefer to take photos myself, so I can capture things from my perspective. I lean towards taking photos myself as it allows me to document things from my unique point of view. That's all the questions we have today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me as it's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. Photography is an art form that enables individuals to freeze moments in time, preserving memories and emotions that can be revisited for years to come. Accessible to the masses, allowing people to express their creativity and share their perspectives with the world. Photography attracts enthusiasts of all ages and backgrounds. Capture the grandeur of landscapes, candid expressions of loved ones, or the intricate details of everyday objects. It provides a means to communicate and connect through visuals. Empowering individuals to capture, edit, and share images, the digital age revolutionized photography as digital sensors replaced traditional film. Smartphones with high-quality cameras democratize photography further. Photography encompasses a wide range of themes and styles. Specialization in landscapes, portraiture, or abstract photography convey different emotions and ideas through colors, shapes, and patterns. Photography preserves memories. Revisiting cherished memories celebrates milestones and shared experiences. Photography creates a tangible record of lives. It freezes moments that would otherwise fade from time, and securing memories of future generations. Photography provides a unique way to view the world. Different photographs bring the perspectives, backgrounds, and emotions into their work, reflecting the diversity of human experience, capturing moments from different angles. Technology evolution pushes photography further. It transforms photography into visual storytelling. Editing software enhances and manipulates photos that connects people across the globe through shared moments. In conclusion, photography captures emotions, stories, and memories. It shapes how we perceive the world and connect with one another, and is a hobby, a profession, or a means of self-expression. The power to shape and inspire. Alright, I hope you found that useful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Capture, photographer, image, picture. Snapshot, lens, frame, composition. Freezes a moment in time, capture memories. Catch someone in the act, capture the essence of. Picture perfect, develop photos, edit and retouch, snap photo, point and shoot. Set the aperture, focus on the foreground, background. Achieve the right exposure, use natural lighting. Pose for a photo, capture a scenic view, embrace different perspectives. And lastly for today, we're going on to our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go at this yourself. What do you like to do? What do you like to photograph? What subjects do you enjoy capturing on camera? How do you keep your photos? How do you store your photographs? Do you like to take photographs? Are you fond of capturing images? I enjoy taking pictures of landscapes and nature. I find pleasure in capturing images of natural scenery and environments. Editing and retouching photos allows me to enhance their visual appeal. By editing and improving photos, I can elevate their visual attractiveness. And last one, paraphrasing descriptions. I go on and on with that one. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.